We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you.
The crew that worked all day yesterday, August 20th, did a superb job landscaping, edging, and laying mulch at my Buckeye Lake home. Absolutely no complaints. The crew and its leader were prompt, diligent, and polite. They deserve 10 stars.
So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.